Is a 550 watt motor good enough for a mixer grinder for heavy duty grinding? Not unless it is a BLDC motor, which is what the Atomberg Mixer Grinder is. Today let's look at how well the Atomberg Mixer Grinder performs while handling some of our common kitchen tasks. This video is kindly sponsored by Atomberg. But as always, experiences and opinions are my own. With 3 speeds ranging from 2000 RPM to 18,000 RPM, it is perfect for different types of grinding, from chutneys to batter to milkshakes. Many dishes like chutneys sometimes require a coarse texture for better flavors. This is where the coarse mode in the Atomberg Mixer Grinder is useful to give an authentic texture, which is a differentiated feature in this mixer grinder. This mixer grinder includes 4 jars in total: a 500 ml chutney jar, a 1 liter grinding jar ideal for grinding of your spices or batter in large quantities, a 1.5 liter liquidizing jar ideal for batters, smoothies or milkshakes, and a 500 ml chopper jar. What's special is that the jars have an anti-gravity lid lock, so it helps to prevent spillages, which frequently happens when we overload the jar or when there is too much liquid before the grinding process starts. In my opinion, this is an essential feature for hands-free grinding. The chopper jar is convenient for chopping daily vegetables with ease, like onions. Everything from turmeric to coffee beans can be ground with ease in this mixer grinder. Being a 550 watt BLDC motor mixer grinder, it demonstrates the power of a 1000 watt mixer grinder with considerable ease. Have you ever had an oops moment when you forgot to turn off a running mixer grinder when the power went off? The Atomberg Mixer Grinder has a few safety features to protect us from such moments. Firstly, if you haven't placed the jar properly, the mixer grinder will not start at all with the jar detection technology. Secondly, with fault indication to prevent accidents, the mixer will not restart when the power returns after a power cut. Instead, you will need to reset the mixer grinder to start it. Also, if the mixer grinder is overloaded, there is a beep sound and a red light indicator that turns on to let us know the mixer grinder needs to cool down. Thirdly, when using the chopper jar, the mixer grinder automatically senses that it is a chopper jar and runs at a lower speed of 2000 RPM to ensure perfect chopping. And lastly, the LED light indicates the speed of the mixer grinder. All of these are designed to make the kitchen a less stressful place for us. Speaking about stress, one of the common pains I hear from a powerful mixer grinder is that it turns out to be too loud. Being a BLDC motor, the Atomberg Mixer Grinder is not too loud, packing performance with less sound. Now let's talk about the maintenance. The jars are stainless steel. The product exterior does not have any vents, making sure food particles do not get stuck in the vents, ensuring that dust, water and cockroaches do not make the mixer grinder their home. And the mixer grinder is extremely compact, so it can fit easily inside your kitchen cabinet if you choose to keep it hidden like me. With a 2 years plus 1 year warranty and high versatility, this Atomberg Mixer Grinder is an ultimate companion whether you're an amateur cook or an expert cook. Drop me a comment if you have any further questions or check the link in the description to check the latest price and the availability of this mixer grinder. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 100,000 plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.